Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I hope that you are going to enjoy. Um, this is technically my first video that I'm making. Um, I'm excited for this, and today we will be having a party. And just saying, if you guys didn't know, my username is KittenCookie18. If you look in this corner right here, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. I would at least get to about 10 likes on my video, and I hope that people know that I am a good YouTuber. So what I am going to be doing is getting a party. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna and for my next video, you guys should comment down what game I'm gonna play next, and I hope you guys will enjoy. So I'm just gonna type in dress, and I'm not very good at typing it. I still need to type fast. Okay, so I'm trying to find a cute little outfit, like a dress or something, because I kind of want a dress. I'm just finding cute, and not like that. I get quite quiet, so don't mind that, guys, please. Oh, what just happened to me? Okay, I guess that's good. Okay, so now I will be starting. So if you guys want to do it faster, all you gotta do is reset your character. But I don't want to walk there. I really hope that you guys enjoy, and I'm here with my dad, who's gonna help me post my video. I really hope that you guys will enjoy, and yeah. So yeah, I talk too much, don't I? This is not my real voice. I like to talk. Okay, the party is loading. This video might be a long video because I'm excited. And if you guys to friend me, I have a tiny bit of space, but I hope that you guys might just like. But can you guys comment down below what game I should play next? I will make a second video today, but I have no idea when. Yay, people are coming. Let's dance, people. Right now I have faded on. Okay, sorry. But if you guys want me to change the song, I'm gonna write everyone. I'm like, y'all, y'all. Y'all, So you guys are on my video. If you guys wanted to join me, please. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'm just scared that I might get hate comments on my videos. I don't know how to play. I know how to play Gotcha Studio. It's just I can't really do it. But right now I am having an amazing time, and I would have lost my Builders Club if my dad didn't get me a Robux card yesterday, but then I got it. And do not ask me why or how I almost lost my Builders Club. No one needs to know. I will not be doing any face cam at all. I'm too scared. So I'll only be talking like this. This video has already been 4 minutes long, Dad. 4 minutes. This is supposed to be the kids' rooms. The beds are here. This is the big room. It's there. I'll show you guys the kids' room, and then this is the kids' room. They have some snacks. Oh, this is stuff.
Jojo. I don't know what he just said. Love. Do you know what this guy just said to me, Dad? Love Jojo. He loved me. No online dating. It's gross. Never do that. Dad's trying to do this. Well, I'm gonna kick him from my party. He's being an online dater. Let's kick him. Since this is my party, I can kick anyone. Yeah, I just kicked you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Confetti. Like guys, I have class. Okay, I'm sorry. I
Okay guys, so okay guys, I hope you enjoyed at my awesome party. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.